Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of Social Studies. Today I came here to teach you Social Studies class 10 lesson 9 up to article number 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In our previous video we have discussed already. Today I came here to teach you 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. About that, today I came here to teach you. Okay, my dear student, I want to start from the 20. Article number 20. In article number 20, what is the provision in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? About that, now I present here to teach you. At first, article number 20, there is mention right to peaceful assembly. Right to peaceful assembly means what? We all people have right to take part in assembly, but peacefully, without any kinds of arm. कुनै पनि हात हतियार बिना शान्तिपूर्वक हामीलाई कुनै पनि सभा सम्मेलनमा भाग लिने, पार्टिसिपेट हुने, that is our one of the right. So right to participate in right of the peaceful assembly, that is our one. Means we have right to participate each and every assembly peacefully. Next one, article number 21, right to participate in government and free election. We all have right to participate in government. We have right to form the government. We have right to take part in the government. Similarly, we have also right to take a part in free election, because election is the one of the way to make the democracy to strong. Yes. So all people have right to participate in the government and free election. Participate in the government, we have right to form the government, we have right to dissolve the government, we have to take part in the government. Similarly, also we have to take part in the free election अथवा स्वतन्त्र निर्वाचनमा पनि हामीलाई भाग लिने, that is our one of the right as a human right. Next one, article number 22, there is mention right to social security. Right to social security means सामाजिक सुरक्षाको हक. It means each and every people have right to just social security. सबैलाई सामाजिक सुरक्षा प्रदान गर्ने हक रहेको छ. So governments of different country, they provide the different security to their children, to their citizen, old age pension provided. For the widow, also widow pension provided. Yes, like that social security also needed to provide. Next one, article number 23, right to occupation and trade union. We people have right to follow any occupation. We have right to follow any occupation. No one have right to interfere about such occupation. Which occupation, which profession I like to obey, which occupation I like to follow. No anyone have right to interfere us, right to disturb us. I have right. What are the right? So that types of we have right to fulfill that, my dear student. So right to occupation, and also we have right to also form the trade union. Trade union means the union formed by the different people of different different groups. Just like mechanics have their own trade union, teachers have all trade union, teachers trade union. Similarly, schools, government and schools have their own union, private school have their own union. Yes, like that different. Okay, my dear student, up to 23 number here. Now I have to talk about the 24 number, article number 24. Okay, article number 24. In our article number 24, what are the human rights are mentioned? So, right to rest and leisure. Article number 24, right to rest and leisure. Article number 25. Article number 25, there is a right to adequate living standard. Right to adequate living standard. Article number 26. Article number 26, there is mention right to education. Education. Article number 27. Article number 26, right to education. Article number 27, right to participate in cultural life. Right to participate in cultural life. Right to participate in cultural life of community. Article number 28. Article number 28, right to social order. Right to social order. Right to social order. That articulates. Right to social order that articulates document. Article number 29. In article number 29, community duties. Community duties essential to free community duties essential community's duty essential to free and full development. Okay, article number 30. Article number 30, that is the freedom from the state. Freedom from the state. Freedom from the state or personal interference. Personal interference in the above rights. Okay, my dear students, these are the 30 articles which are mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Okay, so what are those different articles which are mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Up to 23 number we have discussed in our previous class. Now I want to say something about the 24 number. In our 24 number, in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, right to rest and leisure. Each and every citizen have right to rest, right to take rest, and also take a leisure. So in a week, one day, we have right to take rest and leisure. Suppose in Nepal, Saturday, that is our human rights. That is human rights to give the rest and leisure in a week, one day. So that is our human rights. So this is also mentioned in article number 24, right to rest and leisure in a 1 week, one day, either in some country Sunday, some country Friday, some country in our country Nepal Saturday. So that is also our right, human rights. Article number 25, right to adequate living standard. Right to adequate living standard. We have right to adequate means पर्याप्त living standard. It means we have right to spend our life as a standard life. Yes, fulfillment of the each and every basic needs as well as additional needs. So right to adequate living standard, that is also one of the human rights. Next one, our article number 26, right to education. We all know about this right to education. We all have right to take the education, right to get the education. Yes, from the recognized university, free education, fair education. Yes, up to secondary level, free education by the government of Nepal. Yeah, these are the also right to education mentioned in the article number 26. Article number 27, right to participate in the cultural life and of community. In our community, we have right to spend our life as a cultural life. हामीलाई आफ्नो सांस्कृतिक जीवन यापन गर्ने हामीलाई अधिकार रहेको छ. That is our one of the human rights, that to spend our life as a cultural life, follow the different culture, protection of the different culture. Yes, following of the different culture in our community, participate in the different cultural activities of our community. That is also one of the human rights. Next one, that article number 28, right to social order, that articulates the documents. Right to social order, it means what are the different orders given by the society, what are the different works of the society. We have to participate that, we have to fulfill our duty, we have to spend our life. Yeah, these are also mentioned in our article number 28. 29, community's duty essential for the free and fair development. For the development of our community, of our society, we all people pay attention. We all people pay attention for the development. We have to work for the development of our community, of our society. Yes, each and every people have. This is the essential duty for each and every citizen, how they can help for the development of the nation, for the development of the society. They have to help. My dear students, here last our 30 number, freedom from the state and personal interference in the above rights. So in the above rights, what are the rights? 30 articles here mentioned about the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. If these all articles have needed to implement properly, no one have right to interference, no one have right to give the disturbance, and each and every rights, each and every citizen should fulfill properly. Yeah, these are mentioned in our 30 articles of the included in the International Declaration of Human Rights. And my dear student, for other more information, you have to follow the topic in your book. You have to see that, you have to see the well about that, how in your book these are mentioned about this. Okay, I want to move the next topic, that we have discussed up to this. But what are the national and international agency working for the to promote and preserve the human rights? About that I will talk here. Okay. Role of national and international agencies for the protection and promotion of human rights. For the protection and promotion of human rights. Okay, so what is that such agency playing the vital role for the protection and promotion of human rights? About that I want to talk, my dear student. So mainly three agencies. First one, that National Human Rights Commission. First. Second one, that Informal sector service center. Informal sector service. Informal sector service center. INSEC. INSEC. Okay. So our third number, that is Amnesty International. Mainly these are three international and national organization working for the protection, for the promotion of human rights. About that, yeah, here mentioned. Okay, my dear student, these are the three for the protection and promotion of human rights. Okay, my dear student, I want to give here. In our next class, we will discuss about this all in detail. So here, question number 1. Okay, my dear student, this is the homework, one questions, and in our next class we will talk about these three in detail. So now I want to stop my class here. Hasta, namaste, see you again, thank you.